welcome back to my channel Learn by Fun. So today we are going to make some fun. Yes, we are going to make Titan TV Man. So first we need some materials like pencil, eraser and scale and some colors to make it more attractive. So let's get started. Start with a big rectangle shape for the head and then his simple body shape under the head. It can be like an upside down rectangle. Now let's add some fun arms and legs. Don't forget to make them look robot-like with short edges. Then make the chest look like a big speaker. You can make the arms and legs a bit chunky to give the character more exaggerated Titan look. Then add his other features. For this, make little gadgets around the body to make the character more interesting. Then add some more techie like. You could add a couple of buttons or flashing lights to make it look like it's powered up. I am adding some shading to make it look more 3D. Now I am winding up this here, but you can make it more attractive by coloring it with purple, pink and light purple. Or you could also use neon light purple color. Amazing Titan TV Man is ready. Whoa, yes, we have done a great job. So don't forget to show this picture to your friends and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.